So recently, JW Anderson and Persol did a collaboration. This capsule collection had two different styles of sunglasses that came in a variety of different colorways. Here's the interior of the box that the sunglasses come in. With your sunglasses, you get literature from the manufacturer, a canvas pouch to store your sunglasses in, and then a microfiber cloth to clean your lenses with. And here is the case. It is made completely out of leather. It has a nice cognac color, and it does say both brands' names on the front. And here's a detailed shot of that interior. The case is equipped with a button closure. I ended up with the classic aviator style. Now, what's really cool and unique about these guys, of course, is the frame. The acetate is done in a red, blue, and transparent marble effect. And just due to the nature of production, every pair of sunglasses is going to be a little bit different. The lenses are non-polarized. They come in a vintage blue color. They're also made out of crystal, which out of all the lens materials out there gives you the best clarity. Keep in mind that the lenses are on the lighter side. People can still see your eyes. Let's dive into the measurements. The lens width is 54 millimeters. The nose bridge is 20 millimeters, and the temples measure out to 140 millimeters long. And this is what the sunglasses look like on.